So fast forward a couple of months, it's now April, and the weather is starting to get better. Now, if you remember in the last video, we used to have a bit of a roof here. I don't know what it was kind of like a sheltered seating area, and today I've taken up all of the decking that was over here, that is ready to be broken down and taken off to the tip. And really we've made a really good start today. This bush here is going to come down, and then this tree is going to come down as well, and then that's basically the ground ready for me to start building the base. I think what we are going to do though, that this bush here just through there, that's public park space, and what we don't want people to be able to do is see into our garden, really. So I think before I do any more, I'm probably going to build a small fence from the corner of the garden coming out to maybe around about here, and that'll just protect us, and it'll give us a bit of privacy. But yeah, that's the update so far. So it's the middle of May now. Birds are singing. This is what the corner of the garden looks like. There used to be some bushes here. I've taken them down, but now that I've taken them down, that means that people could see through this gap here, but they can't anymore because, ta-da, I have a fence. There's the bushes that used to be there, and this thing will be coming down at some point. Not entirely sure when, but yeah, making progress slowly but surely. Two more to go. It's the last one. I tell you what, my fucking grip strength. I don't think I'd have been able to do another one. Well, it's done. All the wood is in. We've got 10 18mm OSB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we've got 20 11mm OSB. So this is going to be the floor. This is going to be the outside walls. We have 4.8 meter 5x2s. And then we have 3.6 meter 2x4s, 2.4 meter 2x4s. So these are going to be the uprights, most of the uprights for the actual walls themselves. The 2x5s are going to be the base. So I'm going to use 2x5s for the base and 2x5s for the roof joists. The rest of the 3.6 2x4s, they're going to be like the top and bottom plates of the walls. So there we go, that's all the timber. I've just got to find a time to build the damn thing.